Hello friends, welcome this channel. Today's lesson is UI menu action. So trigger your mind and let's start. So first of all we are create UI button. How to implement UI button inside the UI menu. So first of all create UI button. The name is UI menu. UI button let button UI button set frame. We are using .init or CG React, both are used. 150 button dot center view dot center button dot background color black button dot set title main string open menu. There are some increase 150 dot normal and button dot set title color so white, so black inside white is perfect color. Button dot layer dot corner radius is 25 because height over 50 divided by 2, and button return in it is button view dot sub menu button. To run our project so let's run. Take some time, first time load. This is our click UI button. So we also add, let's start. So we also add button menu dot menu. So UI menu is a return type. So we create UI menu and using the type of title menu, image not passed, identifier also not passed. Remove this. Option is also not, option is available. Switch type of destructive, display, inline, and it required as per your option, but nothing not now used. And passed UI menu element. So first of all UI menu element create red UI action used red image not pass identifier nothing, we need all, only just use handler to action and print red. So pass this red and also button menu. So its primary action boolean true. Run again our project. So click menu to open this menu box and click this action to print this. Our print functionality to also add multiple copies. It's blue, yellow, orange, and add few dot background color dot red. Self it's always needed in completion. Blue, yellow, and orange. So run again. So click sorry, me not passing in error. So add all our action in children array and orange. As per your requirement, need condition if else to use UI action. Sometime need one, and as per your two, as per your requirement, adding this multiple, and check this our option type, this destructive, check. It's nothing, it's in line. Nothing, but click our action check. It's red, blue, yellow, and orange. Red, blue, yellow, orange. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe. Today's lesson is learned UI menu and using UI action, UI button element. So thank you for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe.